Welcome to sunny Costa Rica. We're here to mark the 30th anniversary of the Lexus brand. Lexus is actually the company that started the luxury CUV craze with this vehicle. This is the 1999 RX 300, and 20 years later, it is still going strong.
In 1996 and 97, when we were preparing to launch the first RX, it was by no means going to be a hit. We weren't all sure what to do with it. We didn't have any luxury SUVs in our line at that time, and so even within Lexus USA at the time, we weren't sure what it would turn out to be. But when the car went on sale in '98, it turned out very quickly to be our most popular model. It brought people into the Lexus brand that really weren't going to consider us just for our luxury sedans and coupes at that time. In 2004 and 2005, we were able to launch a hybrid version of the RX, the world's first luxury hybrid. So it went from being basically the RX 350 with a 3.5-liter V6 to the RX 400H, a more powerful car using the hybrid system to supplement the V6 engine. Again, it got us into the luxury hybrid business, it opened up that market for other automakers to consider, and it really got luxury buyers thinking about what they could do to improve the ecology as well as to get the economic benefits of a high fuel economy hybrid.
So this is the 2020 RX 450H. H stands for hybrid. It's also a long wheelbase version. So you get 2 rows of seats. In this case, we have captain's chairs, an option that is higher. And another neat feature that's brand new is the ability to walk up to your trunk and open the cargo gate just by kicking underneath it. And as you can see, there's a good amount of trunk space behind the 3rd row. But if you need extra space, you just have to push and hold a button in the 3rd row and it'll drop the seat so you get a nice flat cargo floor.
So the RX is still one of our best-selling models. It's obviously grown in size, in the American market in particular. This is the size that people want. We've now added a 3rd row option as well, so it can fit larger families. We've changed the vehicle pretty significantly with both major changes every 6 or 7 years and minor changes in between. And we're even now making changes in between the minor change just to keep it more current. So the newest vehicle for 2020 is a minor change, which means that the body is basically the same, but we've changed how we construct it. We've used new welding techniques and new structural adhesives, and we've made the body stronger. That improves the handling and reduces the noise and vibration.
When we launched the RX, the previous model, people shocked us how bold, expressive design itself. So updated the new RX, we gives more elegant feeling, which is used to be RX has it. So keeping like a bold expression, but try to give elegant feeling as much as possible. To do that, we have changed the inner grille, which is we call the block mesh pattern. Used to be like a more the horizontal by itself. Also the mouse, the grille height is even taller. But now we reduce the height itself and focus more continuity the front to the side. So now you will see the continuity from this portion to the rocker movement. So the size is reduced a little bit, but the whole body is more unified compared to previous model. And the side is basically same, but for the side to the rear, also to give more like a elegant, kind of wider looking. So we have changed the tail lights like this. And it used to be that portion is started here and go to down. So more enhancing like that vertical movement. But this one is quite similar with the current LS, which is the 3 layers L-shaped like this. And if you compare the previous RX and the new one, this is much wider looking.
So Lexus was actually the first company to introduce a hybrid vehicle in that luxury crossover space. That was back in 2006. Since then, we've seen a lot of manufacturers coming to the market with hybrid vehicles. This one here, the RX 450h, actually has 2 electric motors and a 3.5 liter V6 engine. Together with the electric motors, it makes about 308 horsepower, but that's plenty. The vehicle rides very well, and on our route, we've done, a couple hundred kilometers, and I'm averaging 8.6 liters per 100 kilometers. Pretty impressive given the vehicle's size. Now, it also comes with a number of standard safety features, and these are safety features that are bundled together that are really designed to improve and make you feel more comfortable on the road. So it has lane departure warning systems and adaptive cruise control that will monitor the distance between you and the vehicle ahead. All these safety features that are really designed to keep you safer behind the wheel. Now, this Lexus rolls off the line in Canada, in Cambridge, Ontario, where the RAV4 is also built. And this is a great Canadian story because this particular vehicle is a top seller not only in Canada, but also in the US. So having that production here in Cambridge, Ontario is a definite plus for Lexus.